Everything begins within, before success appears outwardly. It is first imagined, felt deeply, believed emotionally. The heart often reaches the future before the eyes can see it. I used to chase the distant light, searching endlessly outside, hoping someday life would change. Without quietly I realized the soul creates what it believes inside, and every feeling reshaping us. Inside emotions we hold and save can recreate its fate. Feel the dream alive within you. Let belief completely move you. No limitation can control a hopeful, focused, fearless soul. With imagination lighting the climb and confidence through changing times. Every vision, every spark can illuminate the dark. I learned emotions shape the road, helping hidden greatness grow. Because abundance first appears beyond uncertainty and fear. Became a seed the spirit fed, and every vision strong and real. The future's changes an inspired vision, and every soul believe endures. Feel the dream alive within you. Let belief completely move you. No limitation can control a hopeful, focused, fearless soul. With imagination lighting the climb and confidence through changing times. Every vision, every spark can illuminate the dark. See the life before arrival, hold the feeling through survival. Because reality begins within the pictures held within. No obstacle remains too strong for hearts determined to move on. And every spirit choosing growth can become unstoppable. Now I feel the future clearly, with fearless hope surrounding me. No doubt can darken what I see. I walk forward confidently, with resilience, vision, and faith combined. And every challenge helps me prove the dream already lives within me too. Feel success before it arrives, because belief becomes powerful when emotion gives it life.